This is the Hunter Brighton in the, or not Brighton, Coastal Breeze Plus, I'm sorry. In the quote-unquote bunk room, because of the bunk bed there, here at the beach house. This one has suffered quite a bit of abuse, so it's not really in the greatest shape anymore. This thing's had clothes falling off the blades and all kinds of stuff, so it's seen better days. Still runs pretty well until you get on high and then it starts wobbling. But that's because of all the abuse it's had. We balanced it out, but it's still kind of wobbly. Holy crap. Well, it kind of evens out there.